Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday to you. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday thus far. Today we're going to be doing an affordable DIY. As you know, I love to promote affordable things and budget-friendly ideals and crafts here on the channel. So today is like any other. We're going to be DIYing a cake plate. This is going to be a glam cake plate. However, you don't have to use it as a cake plate. You can use it as a serving tray, serving platter at any event, whether it be weddings, birthday showers, baby showers, bridal showers, or whatever. This DIY is going to be very affordable and easy to recreate. So go ahead, pull up a chair, grab a drink, sit back, and take in all the content that I'm about to give you guys. Also, if you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome to you. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you'll take a moment to click that subscribe button down below and join us here. And thank you guys to all my past subscribers and my new subscribers who have recently joined. I really appreciate each and every last one of you so very much. So let's go ahead and get started with this DIY. So first thing first, you're going to need is this Dollar Tree plate that I picked up from Dollar Tree, of course. You're going to need this martini glass, also found at the Dollar Tree. And I'm not sure if you're going to use this mirror or not, but you can pick them up from the Dollar Tree. And you will need possibly some rhinestones if you would like to bling it out, which I am planning to bling mine out. So you're going to need these rhinestones. Rhinestones can be purchased from local craft stores. I actually picked mine up from my local Michael's craft store. And you can use some bling, just a small strip. However, it comes on a roll like this at the Dollar Tree. And if you can't find it at the Dollar Tree, you can also find it at craft stores, usually Hobby Lobby, Michael's, AC Moore, whichever place you choose. I chose the cheaper because they had it in stock, so I got mine from the Dollar Tree. You also would need some permanent glue. We're going to use E6000. However, you can use whatever permanent glue that you may have. Now, the Dollar Tree do sell a permanent glue. It's called Fix All, and it works just as good as this. So if you don't have that E6000, you can use that Dollar Tree Fix All. And I have some of these crystals here that I'm going to be using as well. Now, these crystals are some that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and you can use whatever crystals that you want to use or forego it. It's up to you guys. So those are the things. Oh, we're going to also need a hot glue gun and some glue sticks to create this DIY. So if you have all of those supplies, then pretty much we can go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to turn my camera down so that you guys can see exactly what I am doing. Alright dolls, first thing first is we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some of those rhinestones that I was telling you that I may use earlier. We're just going to add them around the perimeter of this glass plate, and you can use as many or as minimum amount as you choose to. And the size is all up to you guys. I think I'm just going to try to aim for the bigger sizes if possible, and I'm going to kind of spread it out. I don't want to have them all close, and I think I'm going to go ahead and kind of pre-put them down so I can have an idea of where I want them, and I feel like that will help it be a lot easier to go ahead and glue them down when it comes time to gluing them down. So that's what I'm going to do now. And some of these do have different designs on them. If it doesn't bother you, then don't worry. I seem to be picking out a lot of the same designs, so I may get rid of these two since the majority of the designs are the same. And I may just go with the design that keeps popping up. So we may do that. So if you're satisfied with the way you have your tray set up, then you can go ahead and glue them down. I'm just going to hot glue them down. You don't want to use E6000 with these gems, because for some reason it actually clouds the gems and makes them look different. kind of cloudy like, and it's not that pretty. So I like to use the hot glue, Gorilla Stick glue with these because it stays longer and it's just a lot better. So I'm just do a little dab of glue and pretty much just press down my cake plate. Not my cake plate, but place down the gems on the cake plate that I'm designing. And I'm going to do that all the way around this perimeter, and when I'm done, I will come right back. Alright, you guys, so now that we've got our plate with the gems on it, we're going to turn it upside down, and we're going to take our martini glass, and we're going to take our E6000 and our hot glue, and we're going to just glue it down like this. Okay, so we're going to put the E6000 around the rim, we're going to put the hot glue around the rim, and then just place it on here just like so. Now the reason for, in case you guys are new and don't know, the reason why we use the hot glue is because the hot glue would give us a ready hold for right now, and the E6000 will give us a permanent hold that will last, that takes about 24 to 48 hours to cure. So that is the reason why. So we're going to go ahead and just put a thin layer of hot glue of E6000 around here. You don't want a lot, you just want a very thin layer. And you want to make sure that it stays on the rim. And close up your hot glue, your E6000, because that stuff is potent, honey. And make sure that you have enough of ventilation when you're using it because it's very strong. Now you want to take your hot glue and just go around the top layer. Okay. And now that you've done that, you want to turn it upside down. There's some grooves here on here. You want to just smash it right down in those grooves. Give it a little press, a little hold. Hold it there for a few seconds with a press, applying a little pressure to it. Alright, so next thing, we got this base onto here. Going to add our bling while we got it upside down. You don't have to wait till you got it, till it's upside right, but I just figured I'll go ahead and just add it while it is upside down. I didn't have a problem with that. So you want to measure exactly where you want it and go ahead and give it a cut. Use the hot glue, of course, to add the beading of glue. And I'm going to start at the seam. There's a seam here that you guys can't see. And I'm going to work on that seam. And when I get to the other side of the seam, that's where I'm going to add the next bit of glue. I'm going to do that. The other side, we can just go ahead and add the closure that we need. Just like so. So you can see that's how I've got it added on there, just like that. And we're going to do the same thing again. for this part because I want it to be doubled up. So this is how, look all the way around. You got the little strip of bling all the way around, and we left this part clear because we want that clear ball to be there. And so that is all we did for that. So we're going to go ahead and now we're going to add our gems. As you can see, they have like this little ring on there, and I'm just going to use that ring to decide where I want to place them. And I'm just going to glue them in random spots on the edges, just like that. And I think I'm going to do 4. Do about 4. Do 2 on this side, 1 on this side, one on this side. Maybe we'll do 5. What we're going to do is, all I'm going to do is just take right behind the gem, because you can't really see the glue, and you won't see this silver ring. I'm just going to place a bead of glue, and I'm just going to glue down this ring. Using hot glue, I'm just going to glue it down. And I'm going to let that dry. And do the rest the same way. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you on my second plate another option you can do for the base. Instead of gluing it down this way, you can also glue it this way on the bottom, just like that. Okay, so that is another option that you can do for this. And I'm going to show you how you would do the same steps. You would use the E6000 and the hot glue just as you did before. So we want to just go ahead and place a thick, make sure you guys can see this, place a thick row of the glue around the base of this martini glass, and then you want to sit it right in the center and give it a press and a hold. Now you can't add the E6000. I'm just showing you how this looks on this way before I do it the other way. And I've already glued down my gems, as you can see. So this is how this would look this way. That's how it looks, you guys. I'm all done. Love the outcome. You can see the details. The details up top of the glass is absolutely pretty, and the bling definitely an added bonus. Go out. And that's how it looks underneath if you're interested in seeing that. And the base is wider. You can see down there that it's much wider. So definitely looks very glam. If you it up for you and show you how beautiful it is. I love the way it looks, you guys. Very simple, very easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, share, and give me a comment below. Hope you guys will recreate. If you do, please share it on my Instagram at. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.